I make the niyyah intention in my heart and say Bismillah. I wash my hands up to the wrists 3 times, making sure that water has reached between the fingers. I take water with my right hand, put it into my mouth and rinse thoroughly 3 times. I take water with my right hand, splash it into my nose and blow it out with my left hand 3 times. I wash my whole face 3 times repeatedly. The whole face is from the right ear to the left ear, not included, and the forehead to the bottom of the chin. I wash my right arm thoroughly from top to elbow 3 times. I wash the left arm thoroughly from top to elbow 3 times. I move the palms of the wet hands lightly over the head, starting from the top of the forehead to the back of the head and passing both hands over the back of the head to the neck and then bringing them back to the forehead. I rub the grooves and holes of both ears with the wet index fingers while also passing the wet thumbs behind the ears. I wash my right foot to the ankle 3 times. I make sure that water has reached between the toes and without forgetting the heel. I wash my left foot to the ankle 3 times. I make sure that water has reached between the toes and without forgetting the heel. At the end of the above steps, I recite, أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم اجعلني من التوابين واجعلني من المتطهرين.